Welcome and good morning. The scene that you're watching is from Phuket, Thailand. It is Karanoi Beach, which is a relatively smaller beach but with less tourists. Enjoy the video because right after this, we will discuss how to generate monthly income from a relatively small cash position. A bit of a disclaimer that I have to give. All content is for education and information purpose. I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving financial advice. Stock and options trading is inherently risky and you may incur losses. I do not take responsibility for any losses you may incur. So let's go on and see what kind of a strategy we are going to do today. I have selected Palantir because I know that the stock has been doing very well in the last 6 months. It has gone up about 50% in the last 3 months. Currently, it is trading at $139, and I want to sell a put option for $130 and buy a put option for $110. Now, why am I uh, selling a $130 put option? Because the delta is less than 15, which means there is a very low probability that the option will uh, be exercised. Uh, Most probably, the option will expire worthless and you get to keep your money. I'm also buying a $110 put because when you do that, when you sell a put option and you buy a lower priced put option, your margin requirement is less and your buying power doesn't change much. That is the reason we do that. And this is a very good strategy and will enable you to generate cash flows weekly or monthly. I prefer weekly because that way I can understand how the stock is performing on a weekly basis. But you can do monthly, or you can do 6 months, or maybe you can do for a full year. It depends on your comfort level. My preference is to do it on a weekly basis. So here I have buy one June 20th 110 put and sell one June 20th 130 put. And as you can see here, the option price will probably be around $44 that you will get. The reason being because it is almost close to the option expiration. The option will expire on June 20th and today is June 18th, so there is not much time left. If we had bought this option on Monday, you would have had a bigger profit probability. So let me transmit this and show you what happens there. Just waiting for it to come up. As you can see, there is a 90% chance that you will make maximum profit of $42, and there is less than 1% chance of losing $2,000. Now, why would you not take that if there is a less than 1% chance of losing $2,000 but 90% chance of making a profit of $42? That's a very good probability, right? So here you can see that after commissions you'll probably get around $42. And here is my cash position. Let me show you my cash position as well. Here is my cash position. It's around $7,235. So that's not a big cash position. So you can understand that, if you have a small amount in your portfolio, you can still generate significant amount of cash from that amount. Now I use a various types of combinations. I buy stocks, I sell options, and my monthly income is around 2,500 to $3,000, depending on how the month goes. And my only thing that I want to say over here is that you should take smaller risks and not do higher risks and not take big trades, because what happens is, since you are starting out, you might you know have a higher risk of losing that amount. What I suggest is taking smaller risks and doing smaller amounts. That way, you can have small, consistent wins, and you will be able to gain confidence. Your portfolio will grow at the same time, and that's what I tend to do. uh, Once you are comfortable that you know that you will be able to scale up, you can definitely do that. Now, one contract of option is 100 shares, which means you're getting, although you see here 44 cents, it means that you're getting $44. If you multiply by 100, you get $44. At the same time, what happens is, if you are selling 130 put and the stock closes at $129 on June 20th, the option buyer, the person who bought the option from you, might exercise the options, and then you will be assigned the shares. And once you're assigned the shares, there is another strategy that you can do to generate monthly income, and we will discuss that in separate videos. So that's about it for today, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe button, or join button, and hopefully we can go on and see some more strategies in the future.